at the center. Arrow mark is at the center. How to calculate Z transform for such signals? Now, it has elements both on the right side as well as left side. This is called two-sided sequence. Okay. So here the signal is two-sided sequence. Signal is two-sided sequence. The reason is arrow mark indicates n equal to 0. So this is the value of x of 0. Right side we are having x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4. And left side we are having x of minus 1, x of minus 2, then x of minus 3 and x of minus 4. Okay, this is the given signal. Now I will go with the solution. This is the third problem we are doing in Z transform. And coming to the solution, x of z, the standard formula, summation n varies from minus infinite to plus infinite, signal into z power minus n. This is the formula for Z transform equation 1. Now if you see the given question, n value is present from minus 4 to plus 4. So directly I am going with those values only. So when I put x of minus 4, okay, so x of minus 4, z power will become minus of minus plus. Next x of minus 3, z power plus 3, x of minus 2, z power plus 2, x of minus 1, z power plus 1, x of 0, z power 0, x of 1, z power minus 1, okay. So x of 2, z power minus 2, x of 3, z power minus 3, x of 4, z power minus 4, okay. And if you see, whenever you are taking x of that n value negative, z power is becoming positive. Whenever you take n value positive, z powers are becoming negative. Okay, that is the thing you have to observe. And from the given question, we have the values of x of minus 4, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 1. All these values are available in the given question. So directly I will substitute that, simplify if required. Okay, any zeros are there, only those terms we have to directly we can avoid. 2 into z power 4 minus 1 into z power 3, 3 into z square, then 2 into z power 1. Okay, x of 0 value is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. X of plus 1 value is 0. I am avoiding that term. I am going to x of plus 2, 2 and z power minus 2. X of plus 3 is 3, z power minus 3. X of 4 is minus 1, z power minus 4. This is the required x of z. Now coming to ROC for two-sided signal. ROC for two-sided. Okay. ROC of two-sided finite duration sequence. Two-sided finite duration sequence means discrete time signal is called sequence. In continuous time we call it as signal. In continuous time it is called it as signal. In discrete time we call it as sequence. Okay, that is the only difference. So finite duration means we are having only from minus 4 to plus 4. It is a finite duration. It is not infinite duration. So for such sequence, ROC is entire Z plane except Z equal to 0 and Z equal to infinite. This is a standard important point we have to remember for two-sided sequence. So ROC is entire Z plane except Z equal to 0 and Z equal to infinite. Okay, this is about two-sided sequence because two-sided sequence are having both right-handed and left-handed signal. Okay, so two-sided sequence, the given two-sided sequence, it is having both left-handed sequence and right-handed sequence. Hence, it is the entire S plane except Z equal to 0 and Z equal to infinite. Okay, so this is about the right-handed, left-handed and two-sided sequence I completed. Now I am going to the properties of ROC. First of all, what is ROC? The range of values of Z for which summation mod x of n z power minus n is less than infinity. less than infinity is called region of convergence. Region of convergence. Region of convergence means ROC. In short, it is ROC. Okay. So region of convergence. Convergence means finite value. Convergence. Divergence means it is going out of condition. Convergence means it is coming into the condition. Okay. Convergence means it is coming to a finite value. And this summation is nothing but formula of Z transform. When the modulus of this formula is less than infinity means it is a finite value. Okay. What are the values of Z for which the formula is a finite value is called region of convergence. No need to by heart anything. This is about ROC. Now coming to the properties of ROC. Properties of ROC. We have a few properties. So first property, ROC is a ring or disk. A ring or disk centered at origin. Centered at origin. This is the first phenomena, first rule. Second one, ROC must be a connected region. Must be a connected region. There should be some continuity. When you say the range of values of Z, there should be some continuity. Third one, ROC of stable LTI system contains unit circle. Contains unit circle. This is the third property of ROC. Next, fourth property, ROC does not contain pole. ROC does not contain pole or poles. Pole or poles. Okay. Now, fifth one, just now we have seen ROC of right-handed sequence is entire Z plane except Z equal to 0. Except Z equal to 0. This is about right-handed or causal sequence. Right-handed or causal sequence. Sixth property, ROC of left-handed or anti-causal sequence. It is entire Z plane. It is entire Z plane except Z equal to infinite. Next property, ROC of two-sided finite duration sequence. Two-sided finite duration sequence we have seen just now is entire Z plane. Is entire Z plane except Z equal to 0 and Z equal to infinite. Next, last property of ROC in Z transform, last property of ROC. ROC of two-sided but now infinite duration sequence. Infinite duration sequence is a ring bounded by a pole on interior and a pole on exterior but does not contain pole. But does not contain pole. Okay. So if you remember Laplace transform, ROC is nothing but parallel lines to y-axis. ROC is nothing but parallel lines to y-axis. Okay. And we'll be drawing imaginary dotted lines parallel to y-axis. Greater than that or less than that, that will be the ROC. But in Z transform, it will consider a unity circle. It will consider a unity circle. Circle radius is 1. Okay. Circle radius is 1. And it is called unity circle. Unity circle. Now we have to see whether inside the circle or outside the circle. Okay. Just 1 minute. Now we have to say whether ROC is inside the circle or outside the circle, okay, or on the circle. So whether it is inside, outside, or on the circle. Okay, this is the three cases. These are the three cases. And this is called unity circle. Radius is 1. unity circle radius equal to 1. Okay, and we will be talking about this unity circle only. Now coming to the first point, it is a ring or disc centered at origin. Now you see this circle is with respect to the center origin. Okay, center is origin, center is 0, origin. Circle with the center at as origin. It must be a connected region. Okay, there should be some continuity in the z values. ROC of stable LTI system contains unity circle. Always circle will be included in the ROC. But ROC does not contain pole. ROC does not contain pole. Okay, this I will tell you when we come to the problem. Now 5, 6, 7 we have seen problems. 5, 6, 7 points we have seen problems for left-handed, right-handed and two-sided finite duration sequence. Now coming to the last one, if you are having infinite duration sequence, for example, x of n equal to, I am putting dot dot dot, then minus 1, 0, plus 1, 2, 3 like that, again dot dot dot, minus infinite to plus infinite. If I am giving arrow mark like this, okay, you are having both sided elements. Arrow mark indicates origin. You are having both sided elements are present. Okay, this is an infinite duration two-sided sequence. In this case, ROC will be, okay, a ring or a disc centered at the origin means a smaller circle and a bigger circle. ROC will be in between. ROC will be in between these two circles. And we will say what is the value. Okay, what is the radius of inner circle? What is the radius of outer circle? That radius is pointed out by a pole. Okay, ROC does not contain pole, but ROC will contain the circle. Okay, it is bounded on interior and exterior by a pole. I will mark with red color. It is a pole which gives the outer circle radius. It is a pole which gives the inner circle radius. Okay, but ROC does not contain the pole. It will contain the unit circle, and the ring or disc formed between the two circles is nothing but the exact ROC. Ring or disc formed between the two circles is nothing but exact ROC for two-sided infinite sequence, infinite duration sequence. Okay, so this is about ROC in Z transform. This is about ROC in the case of Z transform.